from Ahmed Diash Indoor Soccer Stadium. Hello everyone. Today is the report day for the Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament. We are in the month of October, so we would like to remind you of Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament November 2013 in the month of November. Since 1998 the Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament have been having at least 8 games each year in this month, but this year things look different. We hope everyone shares about the Atlanta Somali Thanksgiving Tournament with their friends. Even if you don't play soccer, come out and enjoy the beautiful tournament with us as we raise awareness about crucial issues. We are proud to announce that we could not be having this success without you fans. Fans can follow live statistics of Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament National League match at www.atlantasomalisoccerstars.com, and live video will be available for a subscription fee through Stretch Internet at www.atlantasomalisoccerstars.com. In-game updates will be provided through Facebook by following at Atlanta Somali Soccer Stars. Atlanta Somalian leaders and the staff have been hard at work figuring out ways to make the tournament more professional. This year is all about discipline, respect and trust. We hope you like this information about Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament. Meet the Somalian hero. Our Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament is about more than just sports, tournaments or a beautiful game. It is about making a difference. We are proud of our community service partners, former coaches, former players, Service Corporation Sports for making a difference. Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving leaders speak at Sports Forum in Stone Mountain. Around 300 Atlanta Somalian soccer players and guests attended. So many of our Atlanta Somalian players and organizations are involved in service projects, and thanks to them we were named to the 2013 President's Higher Service Community Service Honor Roll. Check out this promo for our YouTube show about Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament. In the November Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Tournament, we'll be hosting Somalian Tournament. Happy Tournament Day. We live in a great country and hope everyone has an awesome day. Atlanta Somalian Thanksgiving Games Soccer Tournament. Wonderful.